As you can see, the ferry is beginning its turning process to start heading over to Connecticut. That noise that you were hearing is the Caribbean ferry. Starting to turn a speck onto your cameras, it looks like. The Caribbean ferry is almost boarded, and then I will videotape that as of part 2 or something like that. It has made its turn and is about to start heading forward. As you can see, the Mary Ellen has made it closer to the dock. Caribbean is ready for departure, so let's take a look at that boat. Well, we have a few more cars for the Caribbean. There's the Susan Ann, Mary Ellen, Caribbean. Very rare moment for all 3. Okay, it looks like Caribbean's all set up. Let's see as of part 2.